Hi, I'm Lisa with Recreate the Plate. I'm not a professional cook, but I just like making things that I've seen online. So I'm making a strawberry cake with fresh strawberries in the icing. So what we're going to need first is 1.5 cups of thinly sliced strawberries. Okay, I have my 1.5 cups of sliced strawberries. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sugar. Seems like a lot. I'm going to put these in the microwave for 2 minutes. My strawberries blew up in the microwave. Okay, now we're supposed to mash these up. Okay, now it goes into the refrigerator and it's hot. I'm going to put it in the freezer. Speed up the process a bit. What I really like about this recipe is that it uses a box cake mix. Love recipes like that. Okay, we're just going to get everything mixed together. And goes the cake mix. With the strawberry gelatin. I'm going to mix in our wet ingredients. Go in with our 3/4 cups of oil. Half a cup of water. And a heaping cup of our fresh strawberries and sugar. Scrape the sides down. Okay, looks great. Now we're going to grease a 9.5 by 13 pan. Okay, mix in. Look how pretty and pink. Ooh, looks good. Okay, we're going to bake this for about 35 to 40 minutes in a 350 oven. So the cake is out of the oven and it looks amazing, but it is kind of sunken in the middle. And I did do the toothpick test and it came out clean and it's pulling away from the edges. So I don't want it to dry out, so I'm going to just go with that and hope for the best. Now we make the icing with fresh strawberries. Okay, we want to use a 1/2 cup of the strawberries, and I'm just going to use everything that I have left because it wasn't a lot. And we have to drain all the juice out, and we really have to press the juice out. Or she said that the icing would be very runny. So we're going to really try to press out all the juice. And this recipe is by Tammy with Collar Valley Cooks. And she said this cake would be amazing. Okay, that looks good. That's how that turned out. Okay, just going to set that to the side. Use 1 stick of butter. And then we're going to add 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. Maybe that's what a 16-ounce box is, 3.5 cups. We'll see. So that's 3. I'm going to save just a little bit of that in case it's a little too much. I'm going to go ahead and add in the strawberry mixture. Tell it's needing some moisture. That might not be enough. Might have to add a little strawberry juice. Kind of thick. I'm going to add just a little bit of this strawberry juice till we get it to the right consistency. There we go. That was only like 3 tablespoons. Do one more. Ooh, hope it's not too much. How would that spread? Pretty good. I'm gonna go with that. Let me test that. See how easy it spreads. I mean, it's a little thick. I think I'm going to put a little bit more back in my mixer. I'm just going with it this time. If y'all see something I could do better, let me know. Let me know how you make your icing. All right, let's see how this does. Oh, that does spread a little bit better. And that did pretty good. Look at there. Look at all the nice little strawberry specks you can see in it. I made it a little fancy. Put some strawberries on top. Really, the strawberry flavor's not coming through like I thought it would. Is it the best strawberry cake I've ever had? I really don't think so. Sorry, Tammy. But that's my honest opinion. So, it was fun to make, and I'll give my husband a piece and see if he likes it. But overall, I don't think it's the best strawberry cake I've ever had. Not sure I'd make it again. So, that's keeping it real in the kitchen. Thanks, you guys, for joining me on Recreate the Plate.